So now we come down to the achievement in sound editing. American Sniper, Birdman, The Hobbit, and Interstellar, and Unbroken. Now the thing is, I don't think any of us has seen the Unbroken, so we can't really
Not
comment.
completely.
But seeing the other options, I don't think it's much of this. It's not going to win. End of the day. Now here's why I think American Sniper actually stands a legitimate chance at it. Cause the way the sound has been done, it is very organic, and for some reason, the Oscar always loves organic soundtracks over the ones which are like in space, or The Hobbit, which is clashing armors and all these things. So I feel the race is between American Sniper and Birdman. What do you think, Pushkaraj?
I think Interstellar catches it again.
It has a I don't know. I feel sound editing again.
I
It's
think,
not sound mixing.
yeah, sound mixing and sound editing together in Interstellar was just brilliant. As in, rarely have I seen a action-packed movie, so VFX-packed movie that is carried entirely on its sound. In Interstellar, there are moments where you can shut your eyes and you can still imagine what the scene is. You can still imagine the shifts in zones. When you're talking on the video screen, when you are in space listening to the same shot, when the person is behind the camera talking, all the sounds are perfect. When you're moving from one zone to another, you can exactly tell that. And I think that is,
That still comes under sound mixing, my dear.
but it's still extremely well cut. There's no snap, there is no random cut. Yeah, American Sniper holds a legit
You know
chance
what?
for it being very real and organic, but my heart still goes out to Interstellar for making the sound carry the entire movie on its shoulders.
But I genuinely feel that if Interstellar wins either one of this, it won't win both of them, and they might split it in between.
Yeah, that is a true concern, because that does happen with the Oscars, where they're like, oh, we're giving one to this guy, let's give a charity vote to this one.
Possible.
Yeah, and it's a sad thing that happens, but my heart does go out to Interstellar winning this one. If not, I
Then
think
maybe
they might.
there's American Sniper as well as Birdman, both of which has very good and intelligent sound designing and editing.
Yes. Birdman, extremely intelligent sound design.
So, very.
Okay. So that's it. That's what we think wins in sound design. If you are into sound and you think what wins better, what has better sound editing, do let us know what you think would win the Oscars this year.